So today, what trade we are looking for? So we are going to trade analysis for Bitcoin. As we have been observing the market, we have noticed that BTC has been trading within a specific range over the past 2 days, particularly since June 6. On that day, it formed a crucial support level at 100K, then proceeded to move up to 110K. However, it failed to sustain itself from above 108K, which is a key level we will be discussing later. In the 1 day time frame, we can see that BTC formed a new high at 111K, but then broke down to 106.5K, which was a level I mentioned earlier as well in our previous trade. This breakdown is significant as it indicates a potential reversal in the market trend. Now that the price has slowed down its speed, we are looking to enter another short trade. Our targets for these trades are 104K and 102K. If you see my previous live stream about BTC, you can find that our targets for BTC long were maximum 110K. It is still available on my account. You can watch that anytime, and you can see I will mention to enter around 106K, and our targets were 108K and 110K, which will went very well, and I did not recommend anyone to go beyond that due to conditions. It looks that it was not another all-time high, but a price retracement for already all-time high. Okay, so for this trade, our targets for this trade are 104K and 102K, which may take around 2 to 3 days to reach. It is possible that the price might correct itself and move back up to 108K or 109K before continuing its downward trend. This is a common phenomenon in trading where the price retests a previous support or resistance level before resuming its trend. Calculating our risk to reward ratio, we can see that our stop loss will be around 110K, while our take profit levels are 104K and 102K. This gives us a risk to reward ratio of 2.3, which is a good ratio to aim for. Essentially, this means that for every dollar we risk, we are potentially gaining 2.30. As a side note, if the price breaks below 102K, it's likely to trigger a further breakdown to 95K or lower, as the structure will be broken and sellers will likely enter the market. This is because the 102K level is critical support level, and the breakdown below this level would indicate a more significant trend reversal. For now, we are focusing on our target levels. We will be looking to enter our short trade around 108K. Keep in mind that the entry price might vary slightly, and it's essential to adapt to changing market conditions. As trade, we need to be flexible and adjust our strategies according to the market's movements. In conclusion, our trade setup for BTC is looking promising with a potential short trade entry around 108K. We are targeting 104K and 102K and a stop loss at 110K. As always, it's essential to manage our risk and adjust our strategies according to the market movements.